The Dolphin Resort is one of our favorite hotels at Walt Disney World. The hotel is in a great location as it's within walking distance to both Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. In this video, we are going to give you a tour of the resort as well as our 8th floor room which overlooked Epcot. So stay with us. Let's get started with a tour of our room, which was on the 8th floor of the East Wing, facing Disney's Boardwalk. The best part of our room was the corner balcony, which gave us the ability to see Spaceship Earth at Epcot. Since the Dolphin is part of the Marriott family of hotels, we were able to use Marriott points for our stay. The room cost us 45,000 Marriott points, plus one Suite Night award for the room upgrade. It would have cost about $450 per night for this room if we did not want to use the points. Other costs we incurred were $40 per night for the resort fee and $32 per night for self-parking. To see what is included in the resort fee, click on our link in the description below. Before we move on, here is the view of Beacons of Magic light show from our balcony. As you can see, our camera struggled a bit in this video, but you will have no problem clearly seeing this show in person. Subscribe to our channel to see the entire Beacons of Magic show at Epcot. Amenities at the Walt Disney World Dolphin are extensive and guests have access to a number of great heated outdoor pools. The grotto pool is our favorite and it includes a water slide. There is also a beach area that features plenty of seating for sunbathing, a sand volleyball court, paddleboat rentals, a fire pit and a children's playground. Another of our favorite amenities is the water taxi service to both Epcot and Disney's Hollywood Studios. The water taxi can be picked up right outside the rear of the hotel. Guests also enjoy complimentary resort-wide transportation throughout Walt Disney World, including all 4 theme parks, the 2 water parks and Disney Springs. Dining options at the hotel are also extensive and range from grab and go to some of the best restaurants at the Walt Disney World Resort. It appears that a new Mexican restaurant will be coming soon. Learn more about the amenities and dining options at the Walt Disney World Dolphin by visiting our blog. The Walt Disney World Dolphin is about 30 minutes from the Orlando International Airport. The convention center is approximately 15 minutes from the hotel. The sizzling nightlife of downtown Orlando is about 35 minutes east on Interstate 4. SeaWorld Orlando and Aquatica are less than 20 minutes from the hotel. The hotel is just 20 to 25 minutes from the Universal Orlando Resort. And best of all, you are right on site at the Walt Disney World Resort. There are so many things to like about the Walt Disney World Dolphin Hotel. It has one of the best locations in all of Disney World, being in walking distance to both Epcot and Hollywood Studios. Guests received free resort-wide transportation, and the hotel has a great selection of amenities. And as Marriott Bonvoy members, we received a free continental breakfast at Todd English's Blue Zoo. Although we really enjoy staying at the Dolphin, there are a few things not to like about the hotel. We experienced a very lengthy wait to check in, but we guess that is to be expected for a hotel of this size. What we did not like most was the resort fee of $40 per day and the parking costs of $32 per day. While these type of fees are becoming more typical for resorts in Orlando, they can add up quickly. Overall, the Walt Disney World Dolphin is a great resort hotel, and we highly recommend it for family theme park vacations, couples getaways, and business conferences. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you're thinking about staying at the Walt Disney World Dolphin or any other Marriott property, we would appreciate if you can use our links when making the reservations. Endless Summer is an affiliate with Marriott, receives a small commission for each stay that was referred by our link.